Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to share your Zangi number. Now let us begin. Well, note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, well, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the bottom right, you can see the settings button right here. Click on it right now. Well, once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. Well, from here, you can simply share your private number by clicking on this share icon. Else, what you can do is simply go to your profile right here. And once you do that, once again, you will be provided an option like this that says share Zangi number. Click on it. And that's it. All you guys need to do is simply copy the code and send it to your friend. Once you do that, you will have shared your Zangi number. Well guys, that is it. That's the gist of it. That's how we share your Zangi number. The process is quite easy. Well guys, that is it. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.